Ulat Thymmai Gajala Meghalaya Uchandra Shekhar H Vijaya Shankar Ula Ong ba ula yu asngo ba kashilong kadi kanong ba ka bakhut ba de ban penne e kajing khut ba kajing khut kadi ka wei kamat ka bakongsan habakaran shakela pathai khubor men taka sngi ka lai phodarik naitung arja pusau hadin bala shimti kum ulat u Vijaya Shankar Ula Ong ba Gajala Meghalaya kadi ka basuk ka basan bat upadiang sngo baharu ekipat ba banyate nak benda ka jela Ula Ong ba ushim me kajing shanya ya baro bat ka roi kasan kande ka bakongsan e ya u Ula Ong ru ba umdan Hangne kum ulat nak benda ka kam Shimet Jongno Hangne ka presiden kari bat menteri rang ba adu kari kila pha ya ukum ulat ban shakri ya kipat ba Gajala Meghalaya Ula Ong ba uang nut ba baro omtang ki babu sarkar ne ka sarkar Hangne khamtam ya kipat ba ka Meghalaya ba kin kenwau ya ukum ubabha ubakhut bat ubakit kya ya ki kampen roi enda ulami na kani Gajala kum ulat ba Thymmai Gajala Ula Ong ba utip bat smooth ho ya ki mat jong ka than bat dei ban penbet ya ki ban ai ya ka jing bishar hok ya kipat ba Haka juga por Ula Ong ba Gajala Meghalaya kaya stream kum Gajala jong u kabadap daki klau bat kiding kum ulat kamat ka bakongsan u kalong ka roi kasan bat un pensngau shaki menteri ka sarkar pedeng halor kane Ula Ong ba shim la kerpat yono ban thong u kum ulat Hanre ushuyo ya ka jing pentep ka bakendet ling ba ka fun na menteri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi ba un thong u kum ulat ka Meghalaya Ula Ong ba utip ba ya ka ying jong menteri rang ba Gajala ukon rat ke sangma namar ba ka por ba ulong MP ma u ukpa jong ukon rat upurno sangma uday speaker jong ka Lok Sabha
Karnataka state politics and I was MLC and I was first minister in Yadurappa's cabinet. I have been served as a minister also. So accordingly, I have been served as MLA, MP and MLC as a minister. But this position, as a governor, it is really biggest responsibility on the shoulders. Biggest responsibility on the shoulders. That too, the state like Meghalaya. I am also probably coming from the similar area. Almost my area is also covered by forest. Here also almost the area of Meghalaya covered by forest. I have been heard that it is a very clean city. Maximum importance Meghalaya people given to maintain that cleanliness. Maximum importance Meghalaya people always used to give. City should be clean. State should be always clean. I have been heard that it is a clean city. Cleanliness is the top priority here. So accordingly, I have been inspired and I have heard that it is a very peaceful state, no law and order problem, and people are very cordial here. So they used to respect everybody, love everybody. So accordingly, it is not unlike any other state. I am supposed to work here as a governor. I take everybody into confidence here. Not only government, not only bureaucracy. I take everybody into confidence and only development. I have no any personal agenda here. I never keep any personal agenda here, including political. I have no any personal agenda. Prime Minister and the President of India, they have sent me here to serve this state as a governor. That's all my responsibility. As a governor, whatever I am supposed to look after, whatever is supposed to care I have to take, only I stick on to that. Rest of the aspect, other issue, it is not at all related to me. As a governor, I serve here. When I complete my tenure here as a governor of the state, when I go back, not only the government, not only the bureaucracy, entire Meghalaya people should say, one of the very good governor we had for the first so many years. Every people should say, one of the honest, one of the very development oriented governor he had come to our state. This you people, in the sense Meghalaya people, always should remember. In that way, I am ready to give my time, day and night I am ready to work, and I take the local government also into confidence, and fortunately India government is here. And one more thing I tell you, I am so proud to say here, when I entered into Parliament as a Parliament member, Mr. Sangma was the Speaker by that time. Right now, his son, Mr. Sangma, is the Chief Minister here. When I entered into Parliament first time, his father was the Speaker. When I had come here as a Governor, his son is the Chief Minister here. So accordingly, I know this family very well. I know the background of the family. And moreover, India government is running here. I take everybody into confidence. Ultimately, we have to run the government smoothly. And always we have to give maximum priority and preference to the development of the state. Accordingly, I work here as a governor. I'm proud to say, even Abdul Kalam, he was not knowing he is going to be the president of the nation. As a professor, he was teaching to the student. Atal Bihari Vajpayee being the Prime Minister of the country, he telephoned to Mr. Kalam. Kalam was shocked. In what way I related to the Prime Minister office? Ultimately, I picked the call after 1 hour of time. Then Atalji said, you see, Kalamji, we decided you should be the president of this nation. I am not constitutional expert. No need. Only it needs concern. Only it needs commitment. No need to be law expert. As a professor, you come here. You are an honest person and you dedicate your time to the nation. You can serve the nation better than anybody. We decided you should be the president of the nation. You come to Delhi and you be the president. This is what Atalji said by that time. When Kalamji came to Delhi as a president of the nation, you see, now you remember him. As a president of the nation, one of the honest, very dedicated and most humble president of the country. In that way, one side, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. I remember, I keep that personality in the mind. And second thing, the president, Prime Minister of the nation, Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi ji. I keep that personality in the mind. And right now you said, being the President of the nation, Mr. Kalam, he was an outstanding example how President should work. That personality also I am going to keep in the mind. For your information, I tell you, I never made any request to anybody. I had to be the governor of the Meghalaya. Just 3 days back, Prime Minister telephoned me. Morning by 8:30. I shocked. What is the message to me from the Prime Minister office? Then I picked the call. Then Prime Minister told me, विजय शंकर जी, आपको अच्छी खबर हम दे रहे हैं. शाम तक अच्छी खबर मिलेगा. इतना ही बता दिया प्राइम मिनिस्टर. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं बताया. मेरा गौरव से मैंने बताया, अरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, क्या विशेषता है? शाम तक मेरे को जानकारी मिला, मैं गवर्नर बनने जा रहा हूँ. कौन सा स्टेट है मुझे पता नहीं है. रात 12 बजे मुझे पता मिला. आई एम गोइंग टू बी गवर्नर ऑफ द मेघालय. Really, I am very happy because I love forest. I love nature. So accordingly, I had come here. I am going to be with the people. I take you people into confidence. Always I am open-minded. Let us work together for the development of the Meghalaya. Development of the state. And many of the ministers in the union government, they are my colleagues, they are my friends. I take the local government, the local chief minister into confidence. Always we keep in touch with the union government. Let us see what best can be done to the Meghalaya. Money development, nothing more than that.
Thank you. Thank you.
I also belong to backward. And I am coming from the same community. Whichever community you address now, the same community I belong to the same community, nothing to worry. I know the regional issue here. Long back I had come to Meghalaya. When I was in the standing committee on railways, as a member of parliament, twice I have been visited to Meghalaya. Many times I had come here. But obviously I have never been an artist media. This is the first time I am going to address here. Accordingly, I know the regional issues. All those issues we keep in the mind. Let us try to do and give justice to them.
So thank you. We'll keep the